As the state government is going ahead with the second phase of boundary talks with Assam, the residents of 41 villages under the Langpih area comprising of Khasi and Garo communities have unanimously decided to remain a part of Meghalaya. The decision was taken in a meeting held recently at Langpih village, which was attended by village leaders and residents of all 41 villages. Meanwhile, the Sinjuk Kinong Sinchar Shnong of Langpih sector on Monday met West Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner Garrett Ellison Dykes and submitted a memorandum reiterating its stand that all the Khasi and Garo villages in Langpih sector want to be in Meghalaya. S. Lingdo, a member of the Sinjuk Kinong Sinchar Shnong, said that the DC has assured the Sinjuk that he will forward the memorandum to the regional committee.
Pangidon tang kawai ka jingmut patang kawai ka rai ba ka jingkwa ka jungi kalong ban habis Meghalaya nadu ki Khasi beri karo te ki nong snong nadu ki snong Khasi beri karo kira siem ya ka rai bakene ki sa ka Meghalaya te hagbede bat kine na kaliang ki pajba kila tho da ka jing tho ban pha sha ka sinjuk jungi sorar snong pangin ra hang nem ta khmat jungi si lawan hang ne khmat jungi si ban ra ikiti ki resolution yang ki pajba nong snong bangi kwa bet ban sa sha ka jala Meghalaya.